Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Today making dinosaur. The dinosaur, open it now.
Let me see.
Oh, there's the dinosaur.
Oh, this is a dinosaur. Dinosaur? It's a RcT Rex. It's a dinosaur and it has the remote control. And Manu just got it today and he's going to unbox it. So how do you feel about the toy, Manu? Yeah, he has a big mouth. So what is it? You want to open it?
Yeah.
What? What do you want?
I want to open it. It's dinosaur.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, so let's start unboxing. Okay, so here we are. We unboxed the dinosaur. And now the dinosaur's walking. He's walking. Up. Now he's making some noise. Where are you going, Dino? Come on this way. So this is the dinosaur. He's scary. He's coming to me. Oh my goodness, he's trying to eat me, Mano. He's gonna eat me. No, don't do that, please. He's trying to eat me. How do you eat Manu? So how do you like your toy, Manu? Yeah, it's walking. It's gonna catch you. Oh, he's gonna fall off the table. Are you coming to get me? No, don't eat me. Where are you going? Come back this way, you little one. It's not a little anymore. Over here? Oh my goodness. Manu, just use the remote. That's why you have the remote. Use the remote. How do you like your toy, Manu? Take it easy. Put it down. No, no, no. Use the remote so he can walk. Uh-oh. Oh, he's going to catch you, Manu. Oh, he's going to Manu. Come on, Manu. Are you going to pet the dinosaur?
Oh, it's really.
It's rolling. You like your pet dinosaur? Oh my goodness, where are you going? Oh, he stopped. He's coming, he's coming. He's going to try to jump.
Yay!
Yay!
Oh,
Oh, where is he going? I think he's trying to eat Sky. Come on, Sky. Hi. Hi. Come to mommy. Oh my goodness. That big dinosaur is trying to eat me. Oh my goodness. What am I going to do? Oh, he's leaving finally. Bye-bye, dinosaur. You're a bad dinosaur. Oh, and you have a big mouth. Don't you? Yay. Yes. He's gonna try to eat Manu now. He's trying to eat you, Manu. Oh my goodness. Be careful. Okay. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye.